A for apple, B for ball, C for candle, D for dog, E for elephant, F for flower, G for God, H for hand, I for ice cream, J for duck, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for strawberry, T for teddy bear, U for umbrella, V for violin, W for what, X for X-ray, Y for yo-yo, Z for zebra,